Today I'm going to show you how to trim white space in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with imported data or information copied from other sources that might have extra spaces before, after, or within your text. Cleaning up these spaces makes your data look more professional and helps with sorting and filtering. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where all your files and applications are accessible. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to perform the trimming. This will open your Google Sheet in a new tab, giving you full access to edit and modify your data. Now here's where the trimming begins. Click on any empty cell where you want the trimmed result to appear. Type equals trim open parenthesis, then click on the cell that contains the text you want to trim. After selecting that cell, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. What this formula does is remove any leading, trailing, or extra spaces from the text in that cell, leaving only single spaces between words. If you have multiple cells that need trimming, there's a quick way to apply this formula to all of them. Notice the small blue circle icon at the bottom right corner of the cell with your trim formula. Click and hold that blue circle, then drag it downwards across all the cells where you want to apply the same trimming function. This copies the formula down automatically, saving you time from typing it repeatedly. There's also another method that's even faster if you want to trim white space directly without using formulas. Start by highlighting all the data you want to clean up. Once your data is selected, look at the top menu bar and click on Data. From the drop-down menu, click on Data, Clean Up, and then select Trim White Space. After you click this option, a message will appear on your screen showing you exactly how many cells have had their white space trimmed. Simply click OK to confirm and close that message. And there you have it, you've successfully trimmed white space in your Google Sheets using both the trim formula and the built-in data cleanup tool. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.